Hi friends, welcome to Freshers Code channel. If you are new to this channel, I suggest to watch my previous videos. So what about the topic that I'm going to cover in this video series that completely based on interview point of view. So let's begin the section. What is C#.net? That's a basic general question and very important question in the interview point of view. Now see the answer. C#.net is a .NET programming language. The simple answer it is a .NET programming language. In this answer itself, there is a question is hiding. Let's say what the question is. What do you mean by .NET programming language? Simply, we can say that any language which is supported by the .NET platform, we call it as a .NET programming language. A programming language that is supported by a .NET platform is called a .NET programming language. For example, there are multiple programming languages we have which supported .NET platform, that is C#.net, VB.net, C++.net, VC++.net, and so on. This is the second question. What we need exactly to develop an application by using .NET? For that, we need to develop any application, we require two things. One is one technology and one programming language to develop any application. To develop an application by using .NET platform, we need one technology and one .NET programming language. For example, to develop Windows application, we need Windows technologies. That is nothing but window form technologies. By using this window form technologies, we already discussed in the previous video. That is calculator apps which we use in PC and laptop. Notepads is all the called as the window form applications. We can develop by using these C# programming languages. And web development, we use ASP.NET technology and one programming language, that is C#. These are the interview point of questions that we covered. That's the basic questions, the basic information we require to learn C#. Actually, there's an important question. What is C#.net? It's a simple question, but interview they can ask the same question in tricky way. Simply, why C#.net? Answer is, to develop any type of application by using .NET, we require one .NET language, because to write the business logic of that application. This is a very important question. Interview asks this question very tricky, because if you can ask, anyone can ask what is C#.net, the answer will be we already seen that in this video. When we ask why C#.net, the answer will be little bit. We require C#.net programming language to write the business logic. That's the simple answer it is. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please support us. Subscribe this channel. We see our next video. What is .NET framework?